Techniques for de stressing and relaxation. Stress doesn't inevitably have to be a problem, it is the nature of the way in which we deal with it. The techniques we employ that is of paramount importance when it comes to dealing with stress. We look at the several techniques that may be employed. Relaxation techniques. If we are overloaded with negative stress, it can be infuriating to be told to just relax. For those who are naturally laid back, relaxing is not a problem. Those who suffer from feeling tense and anxious need to learn how to begin to unwind. Since it is not something that is second nature to them, there are a number of helpful routes open to developing a practical strategy for relaxing. For those who prefer to be taught in a group setting, attending a well taught yoga class could be the answer. This can give the double advantage of learning physical postures that can strengthen and condition the body and learning breathing techniques that can enable you to reach a profound sense of physical, mental, and emotional relaxation. Autogenic training. This form of relaxation can be immensely helpful in enabling you to deal with feelings of ongoing tension and anxiety. Getting to grips with the technique involves learning a number of specific mental exercises which suggest that certain sensations are being felt in the body. These suggestions are likely to include sensations of warmth, heaviness, or lack of tension in a specific area of the body. Even though you are initially learning how to induce a conscious state of relaxation in specific areas of the body, once you have mastered the techniques, you should reach a point where functions of the body normally considered to be involuntary in nature also benefit. These could include reduced pulse or heart rate. When this occurs, you will be able to trigger a profound sense of relaxation within a comparatively rapid time scale. Autogenic training is very appealing in its simplicity. You do not need any special paraphernalia or equipment to reap the benefits of the relaxation that it can bring. Provided you get into the habit of practicing the technique on a regular basis, you should find that you develop the necessary skills of physical observation that allow you to become familiar with what a sense of deep relaxation feels like. To learn the techniques, it is best to seek teaching from a trained therapist rather than attempting to learn autogenic training by yourself. This is important because sometimes emotions surface as the technique is practiced that the learner may find difficult to work through on his or her own. Access to an experienced practitioner means access to necessary skills and training to evaluate and respond to any reactions that may surface. Meditation. Meditation is an invaluable tool that can be drawn whenever you feel stressed and tense and need to tune out mentally and emotionally. If you meditate every day, you are likely to reap the benefits of feeling emotionally, mentally, and physically calmer, while also being able to bring greater clarity of mind and enhanced concentration to any mental task at hand. Achieving a meditative state. Make sure the room you are sitting in is as comfortably warm as possible so that you will not be unnecessarily distracted by feeling unduly cold or overheated. Sit in a straight backed chair so that your spine is given maximum support. Focus gently on an image that you find attractive. This could be a flower or a candle that is sitting in front of you at eye level, or it could be a simple image generated in your mind that you can call up with your eyes closed. If you feel that you can work more effectively with a verbal sound than a visual image, you can repeat out loud a single syllable over and over to yourself. Try to empty your conscious mind of any worrying or distracting thoughts and gaze at your image or repeat your sound to yourself as you focus on your breathing, which should be regular and smooth in pattern. Don't worry if distracting thoughts push themselves into your mind. This is very likely to happen at first. Just try gently to put them to one side and continue with your meditation exercise. The main thing to remember about meditation is that it needs to be made part of your daily routine if you are to reap the maximum de stressing benefits that it can bring.